Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to full screen in Adobe Acrobat. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Adobe Acrobat, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Viewing PDFs in full screen mode in Adobe Acrobat is a simple process that can be beneficial for a lot of reasons, especially in scenarios where focus, presentation, or enhanced readability is required. Now, depending on what you are using, is it going to be the web version for Adobe Acrobat? If you're using this, all you have to do to enter full screen is pressing F11 or function 11 on your keyboard. You see, that is going to be the full screen. And of course, if you want to exit the full screen, all you're going to do is press escape or press F11 again. Now, if you hover now to your documents right here, you should be able to access your PDF here in full screen. All right? And this is using the Adobe Acrobat web version. However, if you're using the Acrobat as an application on your computer, for example, this one, basically the F11 doesn't function as the same in the web version. But here, all I have to do is hover to the upper left corner, go to the preferences, which is Control plus K as a shortcut, or Command plus K. And there should be an option that says full screen. Now, you have a lot of options here. You can check the current document only, fill screen with one page at a time, alert when document requests full screen, and it is going to ask you which monitor to use. Is it this monitor, best colors, widest, tallest, biggest, and main? All right. You also have an option for the full screen navigation, escape key exits, show navigation bar, loop after last page, advance every this section. You also have the full screen appearance. Is it going to be a different colors? You can choose from any of these amazing colors. And of course, you also have an option during full screen appearance as your move cursor. There's going to be a hidden after delay, always hidden or visible. You also have an option to full screen transitions. You can disable all pages and transitions. Or if you want to get the default transitions or blind, let's say you have all of these options for you when you go for a full screen. All right. After doing so, all you're going to do is click on OK. Basically, full screen mode hides toolbars, menus, and other interface elements, providing a very uncluttered event, especially helpful when reading long documents, books, or reports without interruptions. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.